What in the wide, wide world of sports is going on here? This is Bad Bunny. Bad Bunny is going to be doing the halftime show for the Super Bowl. Very excited about that. What a scary talent this guy is. He was on SNL. He told Americans that if they don't understand what he's saying in Spanish, they have a couple of months to learn Spanish before his Super Bowl show. To that I say, fuck you. But he is scary talented. The best way to tell how good a vocalist is, a singer is to listen to their isolated vocal tracks. And then you could really, if you've ever heard Freddie Mercury, they've taken all the music out, and the voice on this guy was unfucking believable. And there are other, Chris Cornell doing acoustic versions of some of the Soundgarden songs. And his voice is just magic. Well, I think Bad Bunny fits right in with the two examples I just gave, because they have his isolated vocals. This isn't a joke. So let's listen to some just bare bones vocals of the great Bad Bunny.
Es que no lo le nada porque no lo mate. Hola casa, hola casa, hola. Hola casa, hola casa, hola.
Could you find that song with the music? Like, I don't know what song that was or anything, but find some Bad Bunny with the music, because I can't imagine any technology could make that sound anything near good. What in the fucking shit was that? What in the wide, wide world of sports is going on here? That was incredible. Not good. It wasn't singing, but it was incredible to watch. This is who they went, yup, this is the guy that should be singing at the Super Bowl, the halftime show. Oh, let's hear. Okay.
Pero llamó la amiga diciendo
that was a
tiene un culito ahí que la acabo de testear.
Yeah, this is auto-tuned to shit. Yeah, you hear the snapping of the notes. When he's singing, you can hear how the auto-tune snaps his vocals into the proper note it's supposed to be. And he's going, all right, seen enough of this. Everything's fake. Everything's fake and phony. He's there's your Super Bowl halftime show, though, kids. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy it. I'll watch the Puppy Bowl, I guess.